Microscopic World. Discovered with Goko Japan.
Welcome! In this video, we explore fascinating research papers using the capillaroscope Goko B-Scan series, focusing on AI and software technologies for image analysis. Introducing Dr. Hyeon Jeong, a professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence Convergence at Cheonnam National University, Republic of Korea. Dr. Jeong is a doctor of engineering with a diverse educational background in IoT, AI, robotics, and more, and is an outstanding researcher. Since Dr. Jeong began his research with Professor Yuko Ono at Osaka University, he has been utilizing the Goko B-Scan capillaroscope series in studies related to various image processing and image analysis techniques. Additionally, Dr. Jeong is one of the researchers who has published several highly interesting papers related to these techniques and the capillaroscope. We introduced 3 of Dr. Jeong's outstanding papers. First, let's take a look at the paper titled Image Similarity Check of Nail-Fold Capillary by Template Matching. This study aims to simplify the continuous real-time observation of the same nail-fold capillary region. By utilizing template matching, the research explores an innovative approach to automatically detect the target area, determined from a panoramic image of nail-fold capillaries within another image. Subsequently, a real-time evaluation of the similarity between the 2 images is conducted. Though the application and comparison of several algorithms, the study concludes that despite certain limitations, template matching is better suited for confirming the similarity between 2 capillary images. Given the focus on capillary morphology, the study utilized low magnification images from Goko's capillaroscope, one of the 2 magnification levels available. This approach highlights the potential for cost-effective software solutions, as Goko's capillaroscope allows quick switching between lower and higher magnification without the need for lens replacement. Next, let me introduce the second research paper. This paper highlights the significantly lower taste sensitivity in smokers compared to non-smokers and proposes the use of convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for analyzing capillaries in taste buds. The study examines both manual feature extraction algorithms, such as SSIM and SIFT, and algorithms that do not require manual feature extraction, like CNNs. Additionally, it evaluates the effects of compound model scaling by simultaneously scaling the width, depth, and resolution of the network, comparing the results of 4 CNN models in classification tasks. As a result of the experiment, while manual feature extraction algorithms such as SSIM and SIFT did not produce satisfactory results, it was found that 3 of the 4 CNN algorithms used in the comparison, excluding VGG16, performed better in detecting differences between smokers and non-smokers in capillary image processing, even without manual feature extraction. Additionally, the prediction results of efficient net showed the best performance among the 4 CNN models. Moreover, the experiment utilized class activation maps to indicate which regions of the input image influenced the CNN's output prediction. The findings revealed that CNN models tend to predict the non-smoker class by identifying large capillaries and wide taste buds. Additionally, it was confirmed that CNN models are inclined to predict the smoker class by identifying small capillaries and wide taste buds with no capillaries. This study mentioned that the Goko B-Scan Z capillaroscope was selected for this experiment due to its lightweight portable design that allows anyone to use it easily, while still offering ultra-high magnification without the need for lens changes and enabling smooth video capture without time lag. Next, let me introduce the third research paper. In this paper, an improved version of the object detection model, YOLO V5, was trained by adding a bidirectional feature pyramid network bi-FBN to its neck part. This modification allowed for the accurate detection of capillaries and their corresponding morphological types: hairpin, crossing, tortuous, and bushy capillaries. At this point in the comparison, YOLO V5 produced better results than YOLO V3, which was used in previous research. And furthermore, YOLO V5 with bi-FBN showed better results than the 4 major versions of YOLO V5 and YOLO V5 FBN for detecting the nail fold capillaries. This research is conducted with the hope of contributing to the early diagnosis of diabetes in the future. By the way, for an interesting study on the correlation between nail fold capillary morphology and type 2 diabetes, please refer to the paper by Dr. Maiko Shikama, Assistant Professor, Undergraduate School of Medicine Faculty of Nursing, Shiga University of Medical Science. We express our respect for the outstanding works of Dr. John, Dr. Shikama, and Dr. Yuko Ono, Professor Emeritus of Osaka University, who has supported both researchers in their studies. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Please join us today and take advantage of GOKO's capillaroscope.